Hello and welcome back, everyone. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. Today we're going to do a kind of a three-part rip here. Finally got all my Mosaic stuff in, at least a variety of it. There's still more on the way, but Target took a while to get those out. So I got some blasters, Mega Box, and then ordered these from card dealer online. So I got a full box of some Mosaic hanger or value packs. I haven't seen the hanger packs yet, which last year Mosaic are probably my favorite. They were full of all kinds of Genesis and stained glass. Had a lot of luck with them. So we're going to do a three-part rip here. Today we're going to start with $60 worth of value packs, and all these come out to right around $60 between the Mega Box by itself, 2 blasters, and 4 packs of these at $15. So get a look at everything over these videos so you can kind of see what interested in buying, if you can still find them out. I have not seen any of this in stores yet, but these come with pink camos. Not a huge fan of the pink camos, prefer the other colors, but you can still get your kaleidoscopics, some stained glass, which I'd love to pull in these. They look really good this year. Razzle Dazzle, and rookie scripts, gold black, number 10/1. So you can still pull pretty much anything out of all of these that are the case hits. So it makes it kind of fun. It was one of my favorite retail products last year just because it has so many chasers. And like I said, I did have a lot of luck getting probably 4 or 5 Genesis. Had a couple stained glass or glass mosaics. I think they were called last year. So yeah, that was a good product. Did not hit a Razzle Dazzle or a Honeycomb last year. So those are also in here. So here's a look. Just like the hobby box, the base the same. I think it's a pretty good design this year. I don't mind it. A.J. Dillon, Kelsey. A lot of base will be in these. Your rookies and stuff will be more towards the back. There's one, Jalen Carter, good rookie there. Brenton Strange. And we have our first silver mosaic, Mark Andrews. And a green, Tajay Spears. Not too bad there. And our first pink is Terry McLaurin. And there we go. There's a good one for the first. For B. John Robinson in the pink. So we'll sleeve that up. Not a bad first pack so far. Good rookie to hit on the NFL debut. I like that they kind of do the sideways this year. So distinguishes the regular rookie card from the debut. Another Mekhi Blackman rookie card. Have not seen him. DB there. Doesn't have a uniform, so must not have anything too exciting yet. Touchdown Masters. Geno Smith. And there's Travis Kelce on the Mosaic Epic Performers. So pretty good first pack. At $15, still paying about $1 per card. So probably are a little more expensive per card than buying the blasters. And the Mega Box is a lot more expensive since you only get 42. Billy White Shoes Johnson. Interesting. More Bosa, Cousins, Johnson, Marino. They put a lot of these in there. They're Hall of Famers, but kind of a not exciting card. Cameron Latu for the rookie there. A nice Tank Dell rookie. And Dalvin Cook with the Vikings still on that one. Von Miller green. First pink is another Billy Johnson. Next pink, out a rookie, DJ Moore. And Riley Moss for our pink. I'm not sure where the case hits will be in these. Christian McCaffrey, it's a nice Thunder Lane there on the green. And Epic Performers, Justin Herbert. Since the one kaleidoscopic I did pull this year out of the hobby box was in the very back of the pack, which is kind of interesting. Usually hide them more, second or third card from the back. Kind of protects them. So I don't like that. They had it in the very back of the pack. All right, back to the pile base here. Do these a little quicker. And there's a Jahmyr Gibbs. So getting a lot of the rookie debuts here for the running backs. Get a sleeve for him. Got our Bijan and Gibbs. Luke Schoonmaker. Them getting a decent amount of rookies here. Clayton Tune. And we have a rookie, Michael Wilson, who I haven't watched much of the Cardinals, but is having a decent season. And he was one of our autographs out of my hobby box. So, Mac Jones green. We do have a silver on the back. True silver. Adam Thielen. Next pink is not a rookie again. Aaron Jones. Nice Jamar Chase. Pink. Thunder Lane, Derrick Henry, and it's upside down. So we got a rookie, Jartavius Martin. With the Commanders, but still wearing his Fighting Illini uniform. Not a good sign there when they don't have him in his pro uni yet. All right, and our final pack of this first rip for a Mosaic retail. They do come out with hanger boxes or packs. I'll definitely be snagging some of those. Like I said, this is one of my favorite retail products just because. And there we go. There's a nice NFL debut of Bryce Young. It seems like there's a lot more Bryce Young, at least for me, NFL debuts and stuff than you find for C.J. Stroud. C.J. Stroud seems a lot tougher to pull. All right, Miles Murphy, Demarion Overshown. Nice silver mosaic Patty Mahomes. On the back, it looks like it's a Genesis, but I think it's one of those elevates or something, just the weird one side of it. Russell Wilson pink, Gabriel Davis, and Chad Ryland rookie card. Touchdown Masters Tony Pollard. Yep, and there it is. Elevate Trevor Lawrence on the green mosaic. So no big cards out of here. Got a few nice rookie debuts. The pink, probably the best with Bijan. Oh, has a couple base. Whole stack of rookies. No one too exciting. I wish that silver would have been a little better. So, all right, out of 4 packs. A lot of color, a lot of mosaics here. So fun rip. Not quite as hot as far as I can tell. We'll be opening more of it to see. But that'll do it for the value packs. Next video, we'll be opening these Mosaic blaster boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys get any of that, let me know what you hit out of these value packs. If you're finding any of those Genesis or stained glass out of them. Because last year, the value packs and the hanger packs were really good for me. So maybe they changed it up this year and put them into other things. So that'll do it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.